What is going on, everybody? It's Krazify back again with the team upgrade episode. And first up, we are gonna buy UTOTY MESSI from the market. My best player right now, and he cost me 80 mil. Now he's 50 mil, but I lost 30 mil. So, anyways, it happens. We'll just upgrade him to 100 over here because the card art looks really great at 100. Why not? Just upgrade him to 100 over here. And that is 100 over here. Ultimate team of the year. MESSI is in the squad, and then we'll buy our next player. Our next player is Team of the Year Haaland for 2 million coins. He's really great for his price, and he's really good. He outperforms mostly in head-to-head, and that's why I got him. I really highly appreciate this card. He's really good. I suggest you to guys get him as well. Let's just upgrade him.
Phenomenon, stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so
let's upgrade him to 93 VR. Why not? And that is 93 OVR. Team of the Year Haaland is in the squad. Let's buy our next GOAT player. This is my second best player, and that is who else? Team of the Year Ronaldo. Let's put him in the squad. He's really good as well. If you don't have coins enough to buy his UTOTY version, I highly recommend this guy. Next up, we got Virgil van Dijk, Team of the Year from the market, and I didn't really put him on my team forever. I sold him and got another player, and we got Team of the Year Ramos from the Team of the Year event, and I sold him in the market and got Van Dijk. Let's rank transfer. Let's get our new centre back from the Gullit event, and not a surprise, it's Ronald Kuhlman from the Gullit event. I have completed the Gullit event, and I also made a video on it as well. And if you want to check out the video, I've put the link down in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. It's really helpful, and I hope you guys completed the Gullit event late era. I'm gonna play him as right back because in centre back he has low strength and he hasn't got that much pace as well, but his shooting is really good, so he can play as a right back. That's really good. So I just rank transferred, and let's get our next player, Alphonso Davies, for the squad. He's really fast, and I just love him. He's one of the best players in my team. He's really good. Highly recommend him. If you play head to head, he's the one you have to get. Like, you have to, it's must. Let's just rank transfer. And the player I got by selling Van Dijk is Heartbreaker Di Maria. I also made a review about him, and these are the clips from that video, and make sure you guys check it out. I've put the link down in the description below. It's a really cool card to use. and you'll enjoy the video. And I have 600 rank shots, and those are a lot. I just spent everything on it. I'm not gonna show you each and every rank up because it's really boring, but I am gonna show you some pack opening in the team of the year, some team of the year nominee pack opening. Let's claim Navas and Ramos first. Yeah, I had to spend more gems on it because I don't have any other option. I had to spend 10. I have to get 10 more starter tokens, so I just got it. And I have 150. I have to claim Sergio Ramos from the team of the year. Let's spend these UTOTY points on the nominees, shall we? We have like 6 packs. First pack, Raheem Sterling, not bad at all. First pack, there we go, really good. The next pack, Heung-min Son. We packed the master in our second pack. Yeah, that's really great. Third pack, Marquinhos, not bad at all, 88 plus, it's really good coins. Whoa! Thiago, we just packed Thiago. Alright, I just can't believe we packed the best player and we got Dybala right now. Yo, my pack luck has been insane right now. And Fakir, not bad, but yo, I shouldn't complain at all. We packed Dybala, Heung-min Son, and Thiago. I actually pulled the best player out of some pack. That's really great. Let's upgrade some skill boost. Again, I'm not gonna show everything. I'm just gonna cut the clip and we'll do the last ever rank up. Cause I just have 30 shots left. We'll just rank up blank once and that's it. That is the last ever rank up. I'm glad I've achieved this free to play. I've spent 0 pennies and there is 120 of your squad with UTOTY, MESSI, Ronaldo, Haaland, Bailey, BECKHAM, Di Maria, Alphonso Davies, Kuhlman, Blanc, Roberto Carlos, and shitty goalkeeper Edison. I'll soon change the goalkeeper. I have some investments left, so we'll do some gameplay with the squad. And that's it, guys. That's the video. That's my best ever squad upgrade till now. I spent over 130 million coins on this upgrade. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, just smash the subscribe button and the like button. And I hope you like my gameplay as well. And the first goal, we just nutmegged prime icon Vidic with Roberto Carlos. Lol. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Adios.
I said I'm moving too far. Getting lost. When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head.
All of you to stop what you're doing and listen.